Hello friends, we have completed question 1, 2, 3 of exercise 1.1 in previous video. Let us complete question 4, 5 and 6 in this video. Let us see what question 4 says. A plane is flying at the height 5000 meter above sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? This is our sea level, which we consider as a zero height, and the plane is 5000 meter above it. If it is above sea level, we will take it as plus 5000 meter. So vertical distance between sea level and plane is 5000 minus 0, that is 5000 meter. Submarine is 1200 meter below sea level. So we will take depth of submarine as minus 1200 meter. Vertical distance between sea level and submarine we will take as 0 minus 1200 equals to minus 1200 meter. Find vertical distance between plane and submarine. So vertical distance between plane and submarine is 5000 minus 1200. This two minus sign, one outside the bracket and one inside the bracket, they are like multiplication and they become positive. So vertical distance will be 5000 plus 1200, which comes to 6200 meter. Let us see what we have in fifth question. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of the amount from account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So the question here says Mohan deposits rupees 2000 and withdraws rupees 1642. We will answer first part of the question. If withdrawal is represented by negative integer, deposit will be represented by positive integer. And second part, we have to find balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. Balance in Mohan's account will be amount deposited minus amount withdrawn. That is 2000 minus 1642, which comes to rupees 358. Let's do question 6 now. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from point A to point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent a final position from A? To answer first question, if distance moved towards east is positive integer, then distance moved towards west will be negative integer. That is, distance moved from point A to point B towards east is equals to plus 20 kilometers, or distance AB we can take as plus 20 kilometers. Now from B she has moved towards west 30 kilometers. Let us mark her final position as C and her distance from B to C as minus 30 kilometers. Total distance travelled by Rita is AB plus BC, that is 20 minus 30, which is equal to minus 10 kilometer. So Rita's final position from A is minus 10 kilometer.